Good morning, children. Today we are going to start page number 113. Okay, we have already completed till page number 112, and now we will be doing something very interesting and something which you already know. Okay, you can say that this is a repetition of what you have already done in class 1, but after this page you will definitely come to know few things which you have not studied in class 1. Okay, so let us move now. In this page you are going to learn about the days of the week. You already know the days of the week. In one of the Cisco classes you have recited me the days of the week and the months of the year. So I know that my children are aware of the days of the week, and at the same time they even know the spellings of it. Now this is just a check of whether you remember the spellings of the days or not. Do you remember the days of the week? Write them. Now here you have to write them one by one. Altogether there are 7 days in a week. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 7 numbers means the 7 days of the week. So the first day of the week is Sunday, and that is a holiday for all of us, for the children, for the teachers, as well as for all the working people. People eagerly wait for Sundays so that they can enjoy their Sunday, they can relax their body and mind, and they can spend their time with the family members, friends and relatives. So after Sunday, what is the next day that comes? That is Monday. You can see here the arrow sign. The arrow sign is moving this side. Okay. So that means after Sunday you have to write the next day, and that next day is Monday. Then after Monday, what is the next day? After Monday, the next day that comes is Tuesday. So the spelling of Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Spelling of Monday, Monday, Monday. Spelling of Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. And then after Tuesday the arrow sign comes here, and here is a blank. So fill in the blanks with the next day, and the next day is Wednesday. What is the spelling of Wednesday? W-E-D, Wed, N-E-S, Ness, D-A-Y, day, Wednesday. And then comes the next day. See, the arrow is coming here, and here is a blank again, and here you will write Thursday. So the next spelling is Thursday. Be very careful about this spelling because maximum of you do mistake in this. Thursday, Thursday. And after this the arrow once again moves upward, and here is a blank again. And in this blank you are going to write the next day, and that day is Friday, Friday. Again the arrow moves upwards, and we find a blank here, and you have to write here the next day, and that day is Saturday, Saturday, Saturday. So altogether we have written down the name of the 7 days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay, you not only have to write the spellings, you also have to learn the spellings, because spellings are very important. When you have to write the days of the week, you should know the spelling of each and every day. So what is the last line saying here? It is saying there are 7 days in a week. Very good. We all already know this, and when you go to the school, you do follow the routine of all the 6 days, Monday to Saturday, and now also during your online classes also, you are following the routine from Monday to Saturday, and then Sunday is a holiday for you. So now let us move to the next page. The next page, that is page number 114, 114. What does this page have for you? Fill in the following blanks. Fill in the blanks is there for you, and this is very interesting. Fill in the blanks. You will really enjoy it. Today is, you all know what day is today, so I am not going to write it. Okay, let me see how alert you are. So this I am leaving it for you. Okay, you will write it yourself. Today is what day? Okay, next question. Question number 2. I go to school for dash days in a week. आप सब स्कूल जाते हैं ना? अभी नहीं जा रहे हैं, अभी तो खैर स्कूल सारे बंद हैं, लेकिन जब आप स्कूल जाते थे तो आपको याद होगा ना कि आप एक वीक में कितने दिन स्कूल जाते हैं? 6 days. So I go to school for 6 days in a week, Monday to Saturday. So count from Monday to Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 6 days. Altogether 6 days. So I go to school for 6 days in a week. Then come to question number 3. Dash is called the week end. End means the last. Okay, which is the last day of the week. So Saturday is called the weekend. आप सब जब स्कूल जाते हैं तो सैटरडे के बाद क्या आता है? संडे. संडे तो आपकी छुट्टी रहती है. तो वो कौन सा लास्ट दिन है जब तक आप स्कूल जाते हैं? वो लास्ट दिन जब आप स्कूल जाते हैं वो है सैटरडे. सो सैटरडे इज द वीक एंड. द वीक कम्स टू एन एंड ऑन सैटरडे, एंड वंस अगेन द वीक बिगिन्स फ्रॉम संडे. सो संडे इज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक. संडे वीक का पहला दिन होता है और सैटरडे वीक का लास्ट दिन होता है. दिस इज़ द रीज़न वाई मेनी ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन वेट फॉर सैटरडे. दे ईगरली वेट फॉर सैटरडे. ओहो, सैटरडे कब आएगा? सैटरडे के बाद संडे छुट्टी मिलेगा, संडे को घूमने जाना है, पिकनिक जाना है, पार्क जाना है. यू हैव सो मैनी प्लानिंग्स फॉर योर संडे, इजंट इट? इवन वी टीचर्स प्लान आउट फॉर संडे. When it comes to Saturday, we are also a bit happy and relaxed that the next day is Sunday. We will have a family time. We can enjoy ourselves with our family members. And not only students and teachers, almost all the working people, they wait for Saturdays. They eagerly and patiently wait that when Saturday will come and on Sunday they can have their fun time. So now come to question number 4. Fill in the blanks. 4. Dash comes after Tuesday. Which day comes after Tuesday? Tuesday के बाद कौन सा दिन आता है? After Tuesday. You have to understand these two words. Dash comes after Tuesday means which day comes after Tuesday? So that is Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Now the next one. Dash comes before Saturday. Before Saturday. Saturday के पहले. Saturday के पहले कौन सा दिन आता है? तो फिर आप ध्यान से सोचिए, सैटरडे के पहले कौन सा दिन आता है? That is Friday. So Friday comes before Saturday. Okay? Now Question number 6. Dash comes between Wednesday and Friday. Now Wednesday, again there is a gap and then Friday. तो Wednesday और Friday के बीच में क्या होता है? You all know this. Wednesday और Friday के बीच में what is the next day? That is Thursday. What is the day which comes between Wednesday and Friday? That is Thursday. So Thursday comes between Wednesday and Friday. So the next fill in the blank is dash comes before Sunday but after Friday. See, two things you have to understand. वो कौन सा दिन है जो संडे के पहले आता है और फ्राइडे के बाद आता है? तो दोनों का आंसर तो सेम होगा. संडे के पहले जो दिन होगा वही फ्राइडे के बाद वाला दिन है. तो विच डे कम्स आफ्टर फ्राइडे? आफ्टर फ्राइडे द डे दैट कम्स इज सैटरडे एंड सैटरडे कम्स बिफोर संडे. सैटरडे संडे के पहले आता है एंड सैटरडे कम्स आफ्टर फ्राइडे और सैटरडे फ्राइडे के बाद आता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट नंबर 8. डैश इज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक. नाउ ये तो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया है कि फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक संडे, बिकॉज सैटरडे इज द लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक. सैटरडे इज द वीकेंड और सैटरडे के बाद जो दिन आता है वो है संडे. तो संडे फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक है और सैटरडे लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक है, इसीलिए उसे वीकेंड भी बोलते हैं. सैटरडे इज द 7th डे ऑफ द वीक and Sunday is the first day of the week. Then comes to fill in the blank number 9. Dash is the 7th or last day of the week. ये तो मैंने आपको अभी तुरंत समझाया कि लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक क्या होता है. लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक इज सैटरडे. इट इज कॉल्ड द लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक, इट इज कॉल्ड द वीक एंड और इट इज कॉल्ड द 7th डे ऑफ द वीक. इसे आप 3 नाम से जान सकते हैं. इसे आप 7th डे ऑफ द वीक बोलिए या लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक बोलिए या वीकेंड बोलिए. तीनों का मतलब सेम होगा, दैट इज सैटरडे. एंड देन कम टू द लास्ट फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. डैश इज द 2nd डे ऑफ द वीक विच इज कॉल्ड द 2nd डे ऑफ द वीक. इफ संडे इज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक, then what will be the 2nd day of the week? The 2nd day of the week will be Monday. Sunday is the first day of the week and Monday is the 2nd day of the week. Okay. Now with this we have completed this, and let me tell you your classwork and homework. Page number 114 is your classwork. You will do this in your book as well as copy, and page number 113 is your homework. You will do this in the book itself. आप इसे सिर्फ बुक में करेंगे. ओके, आप इसे सिर्फ बुक में करेंगे और कॉपी में आप इसी तरह से इसे डेकोरेट करके लिखेंगे. लेकिन यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. आप एक एक बैलून बनाएंगे. आप 7 बैलून्स बनाएंगे और हर बैलून के अंदर आप संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे करके लिखेंगे. डोंट डू इट लाइक दिस. इट इज़ एज इट इज़ इन द बुक. डू इट इन अ सिंपल वे. यू विल मेक 7 डिफरेंट बैलून्स. 7 बैलून्स आप बनाएंगे और हर बैलून के अंदर आप एक एक डे लिखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.